That goes.
Ready? Come fast, come here fast, come here fast. This is our gun. The gun has pin, rooted, and tied. So this is the fire. If you want to loosen, pin out, this one, tight. You need to push. Only push this one. Then one then just push. Loosen. Okay? Okay, get ready. Get ready.
Goes out, back up.
Yeah, out. The pin, the nut will come out. Pin out, out.
Out.
Yes. Yes. Okay, clear.
Out.
The nut will come out.
How about that?
Yeah. 3. Gun down on the floor.
Hey.
Hands up. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. 6 seconds. Oh my God. Nobody win. Nobody win. No, the pin inside 1 to 6. Okay? Tie it. One more. 3,
Wait, wait.
3.
Wait.
Ready? Down on the floor. Pin out. Prepare your gun. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Your gun, your nut is not there. Okay. 19.2 seconds. Finish. 25 seconds. You want to try?
One more.
If you finish, hold top the fire, hold the gun together with the nut.
Okay.
So you will be bigger. 3. Last one. 3, 2. Up and 3, 2, 1, go. Yes.
Isakay mo daog. Hala. Galing.
One more. Yes. 3, 2, 1, and up. 3, 2, 1, go.
La. Final.
Yes. Go.
Hindi na masulod.
Yes. The winner side, 19 seconds, 19.6, 19 not yet finished. Okay, thank you very much. Anyone want to try? Anyone?